Why is my credit score going down when I pay on time? Because it determines your borrowing capacity and interest rates, your credit score is an important financial indication. It demonstrates your creditworthiness and financial prudence. However, it can be perplexing when your credit score takes a dip even though you've been diligent about paying your bills on time. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the possible reasons behind the puzzling phenomenon of a decreasing credit score despite timely payments. Credit utilization ratio. Maintaining a healthy credit utilization ratio is essential for a strong credit score. If your credit card balances are high compared to your credit limits, it can negatively impact your score. Even if you're paying on time, a high credit utilization ratio signals potential financial strain and can lead to a lower score. Missed payments on other accounts. Your credit score considers the entirety of your credit history. If you've missed payments on other accounts, such as loans or different credit cards, those late payments can overshadow your on-time payments. Credit scoring models factor in all your financial behavior, not just a single account. Late payments reported after the due date. While you may think you're paying on time, creditors might report your payments as late if they're received after the due date. This discrepancy can occur due to processing delays or timing issues, causing your credit score to drop. Changes in credit mix. A diverse credit mix, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your credit score. If you close an account or pay off a loan, your credit mix could change, affecting your score temporarily. The absence of variety might lead to a score decrease. Age of accounts. The length of your credit history matters. If you close an old credit card account or open a new one, it can affect your average account age. New accounts can lower this average and subsequently lead to a dip in your credit score. Hard inquiries. Applying for new credit typically triggers hard inquiries, which can slightly reduce your credit score. If you've applied for multiple forms of credit within a short period, it can signal increased risk to lenders and impact your score negatively. Errors on your credit report. Mistakes happen, and they can affect your credit score. Regularly reviewing your credit report can help identify inaccuracies that might be causing your score to drop. Dispute any errors with the credit reporting agencies to rectify the situation. Negative information aging. Negative information like late payments or collections can remain on your credit report for several years. Even if you're currently paying on time, the presence of older negative marks can still impact your overall credit score. Credit limit decreases. If your credit card issuer reduces your credit limit, your credit utilization ratio can increase even if your balances remain the same. This change can negatively influence your credit score, despite your timely payments. Scoring model changes. Credit scoring models evolve over time, and changes in algorithms can lead to fluctuations in your credit score. Even if you maintain consistent payment behavior, alterations in the way your score is calculated can result in unexpected changes. How to raise my credit score? Raising your credit score requires consistent and strategic efforts. Here are 10 pointers to help you improve your credit score. Check your credit report. Regularly review your credit report for errors or discrepancies that might be affecting your score. Dispute any inaccuracies with the credit reporting agencies to ensure your report reflects accurate information. Pay on time. Timely payments are a crucial factor in your credit score. Set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid missing a payment deadline. On-time payments consistently reflect your financial responsibility. Reduce credit utilization. Lowering your credit card balances in relation to your credit limits can positively impact your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% to show lenders you're using credit responsibly. Don't close old accounts. The age of your accounts matters. Keep your oldest accounts open to maintain a longer credit history, which can contribute positively to your credit score. Diversify your credit mix. Having a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can boost your credit score. However, only take on new credit if you can manage it responsibly. Avoid opening too many accounts. Applying for multiple forms of credit in a short span can lead to hard inquiries and reduce your credit score. Only open new accounts when necessary and spaced out over time. Pay off collection accounts. Address any outstanding collection accounts promptly. Paying off or settling these accounts can prevent them from negatively affecting your credit score. Negotiate with creditors. If you're facing financial difficulties, consider negotiating with creditors to establish a more manageable payment plan. This can help you avoid delinquencies and maintain a positive credit history. Become an authorized user. Being added as an authorized user on someone else's credit card can potentially improve your credit score, as long as the primary cardholder has a positive payment history. Be patient and persistent. Improving your credit score takes time. Consistently practicing good credit habits, such as making on-time payments and managing your credit utilization, will eventually lead to positive changes in your credit score. Remember, there's no quick fix to raising your credit score. It requires a combination of responsible financial behavior, strategic planning, and patience. By following these pointers and staying committed to improving your credit, you can gradually raise your credit score and enjoy the benefits of a healthier financial profile. Wrapping it up, sometimes, even if you pay your bills on time, your credit score might drop due to various factors. It's like a puzzle where different pieces affect the whole picture. Your credit utilization, which is the amount of credit you are using compared to what you have available, can impact your score. If this ratio increases, your score might decrease. Also, opening new accounts frequently can make you appear risky to lenders. To raise your score, focus on reducing credit card balances and paying off debts. Make sure to pay bills on time and avoid applying for new credit unless necessary. Regularly check your credit report for errors that could hurt your score. By following these steps, you can gradually improve your credit score over time. Remember, it's like tending to a garden. With patience and consistent care, your credit score can flourish.